Bakit kailangan pa rin ng pirma ng asawa kahit single ang nakalagay sa title? Bago ka bumili ng property mga kabahay o bago ka pumirma ng kahit anong deed of sale, mag-due diligence ka muna. Okay? Kasi kahit ang title ay under her name and marked as single, hindi yan ibig sabihin ay wala itong asawa. Kung kasal sila after August 3, 1988, anytime na covered ng Family Code of the Philippines, lahat ng property acquired during marriage is presumed to be part of their conjugal or community property. So kahit pa binili niya yung property nung dalaga pa siya, kailangan pa rin ang written consent ng spouse. Pero kung before August 3, 1988 sila kinasal, pwedeng sa kanya lang ang property kung nasa conjugal partnership of gains sila. Bottom line, marriage date matters. Kahit single lang nakalagay sa title, hindi ka basta-basta pwedeng maniwala. Always double check and ask for marriage certificate and verify the date. And when in doubt, consult a real estate lawyer. Protect yourself before you invest. I hope you learn more. Bye!